Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing to one clear niche that you can serve consistently. This focus is growth. Once chosen, record sample footage with a phone, tripod, and a simple lavalier mic to validate audio. While filming, follow a 3-act structure so editing is faster. Next, build a content calendar for 10 videos and commit to one consistent publishing day each week. Consistency signals the algorithm. Make sure to optimize titles and thumbnails from day one to boost click-through. You now focus on content quality and measurable optimization. Edit so the first 15 seconds grab attention, then structure beats to reset viewer focus every minute. Once posted, check YouTube analytics weekly. Watch time, CTR, and drop-off tell you what to improve. Make incremental changes, tweak thumbnails, shorten intros, or add card CTAs. Simultaneously, prepare income streams, enable ads when eligible, add affiliate links with disclosure, and pitch. You finish by scaling and safeguarding what works. Batch film multiple videos in one session, hire an editor when revenue covers cost, and repurpose long videos into short clips to widen reach. Make sure you register assets, keep raw files backed up, and respond to copyright or claim notices promptly to protect revenue. If growth stalls, run a /B tests on thumbnails and titles, ask your community one targeted question, and iterate until watch time climbs again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.